Hello, and welcome back to Tech Review Guide. Today, we are addressing a critical failure affecting Intel 11th through 15th generation systems running Windows 11 Build 25H2. If your system recently applied the February 2026 security update, specifically KB5077181, and immediately rebooted to this blue screen with stop code 0x00WOW07B, you are experiencing a fatal driver regression. This is not a hardware failure. Your SSD is likely fine. This is a software visibility failure caused by Intel's volume management device, or VMD. Standard Windows installation media lacks the native driver needed to communicate with this controller after the recent kernel changes. Today, we will perform a surgical driver injection to restore your system without data loss. We will be using specific DISM commands to make your storage visible again. To understand the fix, we must understand the arbitration. Intel VMD isolates NVMe SSDs from the standard PCIe bus to provide advanced RAID functionality and power state protection. However, the Windows 11 Germanium and Bromine kernels prioritize a new native NVMe.sys stack. This change causes a handshake timeout during the boot sequence. When the OS attempts to wake the drive from a D3 cold state during a system update, the older VMD handshake times out. The system locks up, and the partition table becomes corrupted, but it's actually just invisible to the bootloader. Disabling VMD in the BIOS is a common mistake. Doing so on an established installation will corrupt the partition table permanently. The only stable solution is to provide the kernel with the specific driver it requires. Intel RST version 20.2.6, 1025.3.